So this course is practical woodworking with numeracy skills. What we do in these sessions is a bit of maths that involves measuring, calculating, converting units, and also have the opportunity to actually build what you would like to build.
I've been making a bug house, something close to my heart. I love wildlife, so I wanted to make something, that encompasses that really. I was a bit set back with angles, but Jacob sorted that out for me. Went through a few things, cutting certain angles off timber. Very interesting. You learn a bit of stuff of other people as well and what they're going through, what they're building. It's all been fascinating and interesting.
For me, it's always been about confidence, because I do know a little bit about cutting wood and stuff, but I've always had like a mental block with how to visualise a project. Jacob's kind of guided me along that process and helped me with my confidence. So it's been very worthwhile for me to come along.
Efo gwneud gwaith coed, mae yna ddipyn o maths yn dod I fewn i'r peth. Mae yna diwtor da iawn yma, so rwy'n eisiau helpu efo rhyw faths ac ati weithio pethau allan, mae wedi bod yna yn helpu neu pethau felly. Wedi bod yn wertho a swn i'n annog rwy'n ti efo diddordeb mewn gwaith coed ac isio dod. I ddod ar unwaith mae wedi bod yn gwrs da iawn. Dwi wedi mwynhau a dwi wedi cael gwerth allan ohono fo. A wedi dysgu sgiliau newydd a gobeithio fedra I fynd ar sgiliau yna adre hefo fi.